BYD continues to push boundaries. Amid a wave of rapid expansion and constant product launches, it seems like we've just begun getting used to their ultra-modern SUVs under the Fang Cheng Bao, also known as Formula Leopard, sub-brand. And now they're already rolling out a brand new series of urban crossovers. Leading the charge is the compact electric SUV, the Leopard Titanium 3. Pre-orders for this newcomer are already open, and its starting price is just $19,000. That's a full 40% cheaper than the larger Leopard 5. But don't assume it's all about cutting corners. It's actually a smart strategy. Rear-wheel drive and a simplified battery system, perfect for those who don't plan to venture far off the pavement. These cost savings come thanks to a rear-wheel drive setup and a more basic battery pack. For those who want all-wheel drive, the starting price is $22,000, still an appealing offer. Once again, BYD proves that stylish and affordable electric crossovers can be made without sacrificing quality. So, let's take a closer look. We're used to BYD's vehicles translating to Leopard in English. But now, a younger crossover has arrived to shake things up a bit. It's the first in a brand new series under the Titanium name. What was once simply called the Leopard 3 is now officially named Leopard Titanium 3. It belongs to the new Fang Cheng Bao lineup, positioned as the entry-level model. Up until now, the sub-brand has only offered two hybrid SUVs, the Leopard 5 and Leopard 8. The new Leopard Titanium 3 marks the debut of a fully electric monocoque body crossover in this family. And what a fascinating creation it is. Designed for the city but rugged enough to hint at off-road capabilities, the exterior blends sharp angular elements with smooth flowing lines. One glance at the front, with its solid grille-less panel, makes it clear that this is an EV. Slim, trapezoid-shaped headlights feature advanced LED technology. From the side, the Leopard Titanium 3 boasts classic compact crossover proportions, enhanced with unique styling. Squared-off plastic wheel arches, sleek black 5-spoke wheels, and bright red brake calipers that hint at its sporty side. And let's not forget the hidden door handles and a built-in drone platform on the roof. At the rear, you'll find a split spoiler and an optional 28-liter trunk where the spare tire would be. A clever touch that boosts both style and practicality. There's also a 150-liter front trunk under the hood. While a front trunk is pretty common in EVs these days, it's still a welcome feature that offers extra storage. Unlike its bigger siblings, the Titanium 3 uses a monocoque body structure and the Evo Plus platform, which it shares with other BYD electric models. The suspension is standard, with a McPherson setup at the front and an independent 5-link system at the rear. Top-tier trims include adjustable suspension stiffness, a great feature that improves ride comfort by absorbing minor road imperfections more effectively. As for the size, it measures 4,605 millimeters long, 1,900 millimeters wide, and 1,720 millimeters tall. Add the drone platform, and the height increases to 1,930 millimeters. Ground clearance hasn't been disclosed. Rear-wheel drive versions come with 18-inch wheels, while AWD models sport 19-inch ones. Base versions start at around 2 tons, reaching up to 2,265 kilograms with extra features like the drone system. Payload capacity is up to 450 kilograms. All versions are fully electric. Rear-wheel drive variants have a single motor producing 218 horsepower and 310 newton-meters of torque, reaching 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 7.9 seconds. Not bad for a city-focused SUV. Top speed is capped at 201 kilometers per hour, The battery capacity is 65 kilowatt hours with 195 kilowatt fast charging capability. The AWD model features dual motors producing a combined 421 horsepower and 510 newton-meters of torque, allowing for a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time of just 4.9 seconds. It also comes with an 800-volt system, a 73 kilowatt-hour battery, and 215 kilowatt DC fast charging. There's even a top-of-the-line version featuring a roof-mounted drone and an upgraded 78.7 kilowatt-hour battery with 237 kilowatt charging power. All models offer the same 501 kilometers of range, though this figure is based on China's testing cycle, so real-world numbers may vary depending on driving conditions. The battery can be charged from 30% to 80% in just 18 minutes. And surprisingly, the same time is claimed for the 80% to 100% jump, which sounds a bit optimistic, as the final stretch usually takes longer. Cold weather charging is also supported. The heated battery can be charged from 20% to 80% in 28 minutes, even in freezing conditions. The chassis of the Leopard Titanium 3 is packed with tech. Torque control ensures optimal grip by distributing traction across wheels and axles. There's a terrain recognition system that automatically adjusts driving modes: snow, sand, mud, hills, and the Daisus C adaptive suspension system adjusts damping for a smoother ride. Enthusiasts will love the drift mode and the puncture-safe system that allows safe stopping at speeds up to 140 kilometers per hour, even with a flat tire. Driver assistance tech, branded as Eye of the Gods, includes adaptive cruise control and smart parking features. Inside, the Leopard Titanium 3 offers two interior color options, light and dark, both inspired by older Leopard models. The bold design and signature button cluster on the center console are here to stay, delighting fans of the brand's aesthetic. There's an 8.8-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.8-inch central screen in the base model, or a 15.6-inch screen in higher trims. The center console includes a chunky gear selector and physical buttons for essential functions like climate and drive modes. It's a welcome ergonomic solution. No need to fumble through menus while driving. There's also 50-watt wireless charging on the console. Quirky touches include a flashlight on the left and a karaoke mic on the right. A 14-speaker Deviolette sound system ensures high-end audio quality. Double-glazed windows offer excellent sound insulation, and the onboard thermal box can chill drinks to -6 degrees Celsius or warm them to +50 degrees Celsius. The seats are upholstered in eco-leather, combining a premium feel with comfort. Power-adjustable front seats offer full customization, from slide and recline to lumbar support. Heating and ventilation are included for all seasons, and the rear seats fold in a 40-60 split to expand cargo space. One of the most talked about features of the Leopard Titanium 3 is its integrated drone system, co-developed with DJI. It's housed in an automatic hatch and charges from a dedicated dock. Controlled via the in-car media system, it streams footage directly to the screen. All in all, the Leopard Titanium 3 feels like a well-timed and cleverly designed product. It's not pretending to be a hardcore off-roader. Instead, it offers exactly what today's buyers are looking for: style, tech, comfort, and a dash of adventure.